Welcome to Rivera Family of 5, and today I'm gonna do something different. I have another taste test review. Apparently Starbucks came out with a new drink. It's called tie-dye Frappuccino. So I want to go taste that. It's only a limited edition, you know, they only have it for, I guess, the summer. But I'm gonna go taste it. I'm gonna get a small one just because I love Starbucks, but when it comes to like new drinks, I want to try it off first in like the small size. So that's what I'm gonna go do. We're gonna go try the new tie-dye drink, and I will let you guys know if it's good or not, and if you guys should get it or not. All right, stay tuned. All right, you guys, we made it. Hopefully they have the new drink. So I'm gonna ask to see if they have it. Hi, do you guys have that new tie-dye drink?
We do.
Okay, can I get that in a size tall?
Okay, what else?
And what kind of cake pops do you have?
Birthday, chocolate, strawberry, and cookie dough.
Okay, let me get 2 chocolate, and that's it.
No, Mommy, I want the pink one.
10-11, I'll see the window.
Okay, thank you. So my total is 10-11. That's a tall tie-dye Frappuccino, and then the cake pops. Cake pops here are pretty expensive, but they're good. So, I'm excited to try the new drink, guys.
Have we taken your order?
I already ordered.
Alright, thank you. Just a second.
So I officially got my drink, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. It's bright yellow. The bottom has some red, blue, and it turns purple. And on the top, it has pink and blue sprinkles. I think it's yellow in it. So it is very colorful and it's very bright. So it's a tie-dye cream Frappuccino. I'm gonna read you guys what it says on their website. Let's see. So it is a tie-dye Frappuccino blended beverage cream. Turn up the volume on summer with a tie-dye Frappuccino cream blended beverage. This deliciously fruity drink is vibrant with red, blue, and yellow tie-dye swirls topped with vanilla whipped cream and dusted with red, blue, and yellow powder. Just like the peak of summer, the tie-dye Frappuccino blended beverage is available for only a few days. So let's go ahead and try the drink.
No people in that.
Alright, so now I'm gonna try this.
Can I taste it? Can I taste it, Mommy? Can I taste it? Me too.
It tastes like, you can taste the cream a lot, and it has banana. You can taste the fruitiness too.
Mommy, give me it.
I like it. You can taste the creaminess, the cream, the fruitiness, and some banana in here. I like it. It's not sweet, sweet. It's right in the middle for me, so it's real milky. I like it. I think it's pretty good. I think Starbucks did a good job with this drink. Very refreshing. It's very good. I like it. So I'm gonna let the kids try it to see if they like it. Allison, take your seatbelt off. Come try this. We're in the car, guys, because we gotta go to Walmart. Take your headphones off. So, you gotta look right here. So, I'm gonna let Allison taste the drink and let's see how she likes it. Is it good? It's good?
It tastes like banana.
She says it tastes like banana. Do you like it? Yeah? Okay. She says she likes it. So now Isaiah's turn. Come here, Isaiah. Oh, show them your cake pop, Allison. I got them a chocolate cake pop. Show them your cake pop. Now take a bite.
Yeah, show them their cake.
Hold on, no. You take a bite.
Mommy, game.
It's good?
Mommy, game.
Okay. So now I'm gonna allow Isaiah to taste this. Is it good? It tastes like what? I can't hear you.
Tastes like a banana.
Oh, he said it tastes like banana. So Isaiah said it tasted like banana as well. Did you like it, Isaiah?
Yes.
He liked it. So kids liked it. They approved this drink. I like it. It's very creamy. You do get the aftertaste like milk. That's the part I don't like, but other than that, it does taste really good. The whole dye went at the bottom of my cup, but I think Starbucks did good. This new drink, I suggest you guys go try it. It is only here for a couple of days, and give it a try. Let me know how you guys like it. Like I said, we approved of it. Everybody's taste buds are different, but for us, it was very good. It's very creamy. And yeah, so make sure you guys go like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Rivera Family of 5. We'll see you next time. Bye!